I done did, man, all type of things, man. I tried my best. At one point in time, man, I learned a lot from watching. I don't think you know. But it's some things that I was missing.
Yeah.
And barely got any brakes too. Oh man, this thing just needs to
Get the whole one-on-one.
Yeah. I got my seat too. I just got another little. I got a little 49 cc. It's a little smaller than this.
Yeah.
Bought it for like $300 on the deal. And those little things. It's a blade.
Yeah. Pull it up right here.
Yeah.
So it don't roll.
Yeah, man. This thing just needs.
What you do to the shock? You put a new shock on there? Took the shock off with the spring?
Oh, the spring. I do have the spring. I know what spring you're talking about. The little.
Yeah, it's a cold spring.
Yeah. I think I got that. I got it. But yeah, I took it off of it.
Where the old engine at? Still got the old one?
That whole thing broke. The whole thing in the inside. Man, the first day that I got it, man, I went to go and put it on. Went to go and crank it. Then back there.
Torque. You too much torque. You didn't tighten it all the way up?
Probably. That's probably what happened.
Get Gone is back in the shop. We're gonna be doing a wire up. New engine. Engine mounts are broke. Wiring back up. Put a new engine, high performance. And we'll be back on the road soon. What's the name of this other one? Get Gone. This one, Get On.
Alright, so this one, as you see, I got the chain off. The only thing, man, I need you to fix on me for, bro, is my brake. I ain't got no brakes. I think you might see a little little tire issue, like, you know, with the balance and the tires. I know you know, when you put the tire on and put the chain on, I know you adjust that. But just the brake, pretty much, I ain't got no brakes.
Take your choke off.
Sounds good when that thing get warmed up.
So we're working on the little one. Time to replace the tire. Get that going. And then we're gonna be getting over back to this one. New engine swap, rear wire. So we're removing the tire off the rim, as you can see. That had enough. Now the tires and the tube is off. Time for the new one. New tube, tire, getting ready to install. Tire arm. Chain nice and tight. And that's done. Time to get the old engine off, broken mounts. High performance, pressure. Engine removed. Get ready to replace it with a brand new one. New engines installed. Rewired up. I'm gonna go see if I can crank it tonight. Probably wait till tomorrow. I don't know if the kill switches are accurate, but it's looking pretty good so far. Let's see this thing crank. Sound like you ready. Sound like I got a cam on that thing. Got a little power. Skippy. Yeah, you see it. Got them things running. Let me hear them purr. A little torquey right there. That shit fire.
Got some torque, my boy.
How I just said torquey as fuck. Woo! Like you know how to do that, huh? Y'all like, yeah, that's perfect. Like,
That's perfect, man.
just throwing it, be like,
Hey, I'm gonna get back right with it too, man.
Just for you to just throw it, pop it like that, that's kind of crazy right there on your behalf too. I like,
Oh yeah, I tell you, you see it, you know what's going on. Yeah, that way.
We on it.
We on it.
And Get Gone gonna be next.
Hey, and we just getting started. We ain't even finished.
This man got 2 of them.
2 of them.
Too many customs. Oh, you see it.
Won't come.
Another one. Watch him hit it.
Yes, sir.
He throwing that thing back like he supposed to, you know what I mean?
You already know it.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
He got it both all lined up. But I think this one, like I said, is just still fast.